In a world where everything moves fast, choosing the right home requires clarity and confidence. NVG Rakshak is being developed with a clear vision to create a space that stands strong today and remains dependable tomorrow. On-site, construction is progressing with structure and discipline. Foundations are reinforced with precision. Frameworks are rising steadily. Each stage follows defined quality benchmarks and safety standards. This project is not built for short-term attention. It's planned for long-term stability. From structural integrity to thoughtful planning, every detail reflects responsibility and purpose. Because a home is more than just walls and floors. It represents security, peace of mind, and a stable future for your family. If you're looking for a residential space backed by strength and commitment, NVG Rakshak is shaping into a promising choice. NVG Rakshak, built with responsibility, designed for the future.